Welcome, in front of me is a PHILIPS Xenium X588, and today I will show you how to transfer photos, videos or any kind of other file from the phone to SD card and vice versa. So to get started, you want to open up the Files app. So it's under Tools. You can see File Manager right here. Allow it so it can access the storage. And from here you will have the choice between the SD card and your internal storage. Now if you just put in the SD card, then every kind of file that you have will be located on your phone. So you want to choose the internal storage. And from here, if you're trying to move photos and videos, they will be located under DCIM folder. If it's anything that you have downloaded from the browser or email, it should be under the downloads folder. Wait, did I say downloads 2 times? The DCIM is basically where your camera is. And then if you go down, you'll also have pictures. And from here, you will only, from what I remember, find screenshots. So if you take any screenshot, they will be located right there. And anything else is just kind of files that you manually put them in there. So music, you most likely manually put them in there when you're syncing music from your computer, and everything will be just wherever you put it. So once you find whatever you want to move, for me it's going to be a camera shot, which will be in the camera, and I'm just gonna open it up so you can see it. So that is basically is the background that I captured behind, as you can see right here. So to move it, you'll see that there's only one photo. So to move it, you want to hold it and it will get selected in blue like this. And if you have multiple photos, videos, whatever it is that you want to copy, you can just tap on the rest instead of holding them, and they will get selected automatically. And you can also select entire folder if you just want to move the entire thing. So you just basically the same premise, hold it and it gets selected. It doesn't really matter what you're trying to copy, the way you do it is the same. So once you have selected whatever that is that you want to copy or move, you have the options right here. So you have the copy, which is the one with a kind of like 2 pieces of paper, and cut is the one with the scissors. So cut will remove it from where it is right now and move it to a designated location that you choose, while copy will just create additional copy of the one that you're trying to move. So it will stay right here while there will be another one somewhere else. So I'm gonna use the cut, and then I'm gonna select where I want to move it. So we're gonna go back to the SD card, and from here you can either paste it right or on the card, or you can add a folder right here. So you can name it whatever. I'm just gonna, I don't really care. And you can see that there is a created folder. You can tap on it and choose right here. Oh no, it's right here, the clipboard. So you tap on it and it moves it, and you can see that now the image is the same image. It's on the SD card, which is actually iconed with the SD card on it right here. And if I go back, you can see it's right here. And mind you that if you choose to cut it and you go back to the internal storage, it will not be here anymore. As you can see, the entire folder is gone. But yeah, that is basically how you would move any kind of file from internal storage to the SD card and vice versa. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.